Guys, Parallaxox here, and today we're going to play Werewolf. Basically a game where you get a roll and you try to survive. Like the werewolves try to kill everyone, and the society basically tries to find out and kill them. Well, in this game I'm a lichen, and the lichen transforms into a werewolf and becomes evil when killed by the evil team at night. So basically I just want to get killed by the werewolves. But, you know, they don't know that. So basically I get turned into a werewolf if they kill me. Only if the evil team kills me. So, you know, gotta figure out all these other people's roles. Fatema, 00415524 Licks, Natigat 99, Board Llama, I guess. It's Stanch, Kakaku, Seku, 6, and Copenhagen 2. Why are we voting for people? The first round, you just don't vote for people and let it random do it. But I guess if we're voting for Fatema, woohoo, I guess. Yay for me. I don't know why we're voting for them, but I don't know. Let's find out why, I guess. What is Fatema gonna be? She's gonna reveal? Probably not. We're just gonna kill her. I don't even know what she is, but you know. We just kill people, I guess.
Kill.
Just kill her. I mean, why not? All 7 of us killed us. She's the town crier. Oof. We shouldn't have done that. Oof. Come on, werewolves, kill me. I don't know who you are. Could be you, could be you, could be any of you. But please kill me so I can be a werewolf with you. That would be nice. So I don't have to worry about that. So, we've lost the town crier. There's other rules. There's doctor, princess, necromancer, town crier, druid, alchemist. Ooh, they killed the necromancer. We're basically screwed. Unless I get killed. Because now there's only like 4 people. Yay for me. Come on, kill me, wolves. I'd like to be killed by you wolves so I can become on your team. That would be nice. So please do it for me. Well, anyways, we're supposed to be discussing who's what, but I don't even know. And the werewolves are probably gonna win, and I'm probably gonna lose, so that's gonna be fun. Very, very fun. Yeet. Ooh, they're telling Breadfish Guy to reveal. Who's suspect now? They're just trying to get people, I guess. Don't know why. But, you know. I don't know who we're voting for. Yay. I'm just gonna vote for you. Why not, mate? I'm just gonna vote for 0041 Licks. I don't know who's who. So yay. People are fighting for the dark rule. And I don't know who's the actual dark. We will find out what 004154 Licks is. Since he didn't reveal, we're probably gonna be killing him. So
Kill.
we kill. Cause I don't see why we shouldn't, because no one said otherwise. Shapeshifter. Yay, we got a shapeshifter. Yay. We killed one of them. killed one of the evils. If they would kill me, I could be a werewolf with them. But, you know, they probably won't do that. So, who else could be a werewolf? I'm thinking boar llama, but I'm not gonna fight with them because then I get fought back at it. It's always fun. Basically, if you don't have any reason, you'll get killed back instead. And they killed the doctor, of course. So, it's Stan Che is apparently she's one. Because she said she was the doctor and the doctor just got killed. So, yep, that guy said exactly it because they killed Board. And since Board is the doctor, they killed him. So that means Stan must be a werewolf because you wouldn't just say you're a random roll. Basically, you just wouldn't. And unless you're a werewolf. So we're gonna vote it's Stan Chi. Keel. It's Keelan. Yeet. I think we actually might win. She thinks we're dumb. While she about will get killed. She's gonna die. Because, she took other roles. Got him. Because you just wouldn't randomly switch roles for no reason at all. Let's just...
Kill.
Let's just kill. I still don't care. I probably just lost because Lycan doesn't win. I don't think Lycan wins with it, but they might kill me now, and I'll become a werewolf, but that's if the werewolves are smart.
Phew.
The werewolves didn't kill anyone. Oof, in pieces. Do something. Now who's the werewolf? Let's find out. Who's Princess? So the only that means it's Copenhagen. Because now I don't know. If it was Copenhagen, why would we be asking who the princess is? Because I don't know who to vote for. I'm just not gonna vote. Because simply, let's just say I'll just kill her. Okay. So I hit vote, but it didn't go through. That's nice. I don't really care, honestly. But I'm just gonna put no kill. I'm getting outvoted, so I'm just gonna put kill. He's the druid. I lost. Come on, just change me, just change me, just change me. The person that we killed is a full idiot. Oh well. Kill me, you'd win. Yup. The evil team converted me. Nice. Nice. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.